Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Time for 2 Bit Tuesdays. Okay, so I have a new and exciting thing to share. I know a lot of people use health shares, and the problem with health shares is they're not insurance. So because they're not insurance, one of the things they can do is deny claims. And I joke, today's Tuesday, so they're going to deny all claims today because it's Tuesday. They're not that bad, but you don't have a contract with the health share company, so they can look at everything, evaluate. A lot of times it goes to a board, and they can determine whether they're going to pay your claim or not. That's if they accept filing of claims. There's a lot of companies that actually want you to be a cash pay patient. And so you pay cash, you have to get the receipt, then you get to send the receipt in and wait and hope that they pay something. But generally, they're not going to pay anything, not even screenings, until you hit your sharing, which is somewhat like a deductible, until you hit your sharing portion. Now, there are some shares out there that you can throw wellness. They offer different things that allow some wellness screening and stuff like that, but generally they don't cover any of those things. They don't cover prescriptions. They certainly don't cover anything that goes against their religious beliefs, because most of them are based on a faith-based thing. So you run into some situations where you're not getting very much coverage. Oh, and pre-existing. A lot of them do not cover pre-existing if they will insure you. And if they do cover pre-existing, it's usually after a waiting period. It can be up to 3 or 5 years. It's important to know that before going in. So I'm excited to announce that there's actually a company called Presidio Healthcare, which is a Christian-based, faith-based plan, but it is actual health insurance. They don't make you sign any kind of thing saying you'll adhere to all their guidelines and stuff. There's a few things they obviously don't cover, like because they're pro-life, they don't cover birth control, and they don't cover, abortion services, which no one covers those. But it's really cool because it's actual health insurance, and there's no deductible, and your sharing is up to your out-of-pocket max. So you can choose to have a sharing of $2,500 all the way up to $10,000, and they actually share with you in the cost. So it's a 50-50 split until you hit your out-of-pocket maximum. There's a different out-of-pocket maximum for sickness, and there's one for accidents. So once you hit that maximum, then they cover everything 100%. And then your spending, when you've hit your out-of-pocket maximum, so let's say you chose the $10,000 plan, and this year you spent $8,000. You didn't quite hit the $10,000, but you spent $8,000. What they're going to do is take half of what you spent, so the $4,000, they're going to roll it over into next year and give you credit for that. Amazing, amazing. This is a nationwide First Health network, so you can find lots of doctors in network to get the discount. They do not penalize you if you're out of network. So again, it's no deductible, but obviously you're going to pay a little more if you're out of network because there's no network discount, so your 50% is more. You can choose to be a cash pay if you want and get some savings there, and then turn in your receipt to get your 50% reimbursement. So it's really, really a good plan. There are some health questions to see if you qualify. There's some knockouts. You can get it if you're pregnant, which is amazing, because a lot of plans will not let you do that while you're pregnant. So it could be a fit for you. If you're already on a health share, then I strongly encourage you to talk to me and let's see if this is a fit. I can enroll you anytime during the year. We don't have those open enrollment guidelines. So if you're paying money for health share and they're not helping you cover any costs, this is a game changer for you. So I'm looking for your friend that has a health share that pays their money in but never gets reimbursed anything because they haven't met their sharing. This could be an ideal plan for them. So hop on over to my page, JKappconsulting.com, schedule an appointment with me, and we'll talk through it. Until next week, peace out.